Hello guys, welcome back to Architectural Edge. In today's video, I'll be teaching us the difference between creating a block and also making an object a group. So basically, the difference between a block and a group is when you create a block with an object, automatically the object becomes a component, a template which you can input at any given point of your design. So, and you can always access the object, the block, under the block category by clicking your insert up here. So just take note, insert a block. So now let's click this. You see these are existing block in this workspace. So these are block that have been created on this work space. So today we'll be using these bed templates as an example to understand the difference between creating a block and also making an object a group. So up here we also have our groups, um our groups and category. So under our group category we have what? Create a group of objects. You understand? Creating a group is bringing different components or different geometry lines together, making them a whole entity. So now let's follow this step by step, and the breakdown on how to get each of these done and also their advantages. So if you are here to subscribe to Architectural Edge, quickly click on the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified from all our tutorial that will be dropping on this channel. So let's move into the lesson properly. So this a template of a bed. So as you can see, I have a floor plan design here. This was the our sample floor plan for our previous tutorial on how to draw detailed architectural plan in AutoCAD. So now I'm using the bed templates here as our example today. So looking at this now, as you can see, each of them are standing on their own. Each of these elements, this is the pillow of the bed. It represents the pillow standing on their own. Also, the bed frame standing on its own. The sides too, all standing on their own. So now, what are we going to do to make this to create a block with this template? So what you do is you left click and you select the whole of the object. So once you do that, you move up to our block category. You click on create on our block category. So you have to view this lesson on a wider screen so that you can easily see all the details of the interface on our workspace. So now you click on create. So once you click create, it bring out this interface. So here, name. So we can just name it bed. We can name our bed 1500 by 15 by 2000. So we should just name our bed here. Then you can further write description here, maybe a family size mattress, a student's mattress. So you can add a description to the bed here. So once you do all of this, that's all. Then you click on OK. Okay, they said characters are not allowed. Okay, so let's just take of this multiplication sign. Let's replace it with X. So we have this 1500 by 2000 millimeters. Then okay, you see automatically it becomes a whole entity, but it's now in group and also a component that you can insert in any given area of your drawing while designing. So let's look at this closely. Let's come to our inserts now. You see, coming to our inserts, you can see the new group block we created. You can see bed 1500 by 2000. So you see this is our bed. It has appeared in our block category. So now you can just pick this and insert it at any given point of your design. So that is how our block category works. Then now let's move into group. Let me do this. Then you can always explode any block you create. You can just select the block, just click on it, then come to this on the modified category. This is our modified category. You see this icon, this box like icon showing this. It shows what? Explode. You understand? So now you can click on this after selecting your object, explode. Automatically it explodes our object, you see, back to where we start from. So now we have this object. So also now let's check our group category. Let's make this object a group, this bed template a group, so that they become a unified object. So that to enhance, maybe you want to copy and place somewhere instead of taking your time to select all of this and that, or maybe you find it in between other objects. Like, okay, on our floor plan now, if all of these objects are independent, it will be difficult to copy them out. You have to keep clicking them one after the other, because it won't be easy for you to select all, because there are other objects close to it. Imagine selecting all of these just because you want to select this bed template. At the end, you see you have selected other elements you don't want to be on the selected object. So that's why we make them group. It's easy to just pick and drop at any given point of the drawing, and also take them off when you want to take them off, without going through the stress of selecting each component of the template. So now we have this. This is our bed template. So now let's make this a group. So what you do is you just select the whole of this, then you come to your group category. You can see. So you just click on, as you can see from there, there's a description: create a group of objects. Now objects, if you look at this comprises of different objects. This is our bed, signifying our bed. The symbol represents our bed, this representing our side stool, and all of this represents our foot rug. um so all of these, we want to make them a group now. So you just select all, then you come to your group category, then you just click on it, you left click, automatically the whole of this becomes what? A group. So you see, you can just move them wherever you want. You can copy just with one click. You've selected the whole of the object. You can copy and make a duplicate, just as easy as that. And you can also place them in your floor plan. So with this, take your time to follow up and try to recreate what I just did. You on There is a clear lesson on the difference between creating blocks and also making object groups. And when you create a block, it makes the object group automatically. And also you can find the object on your block category. You can find the objects in your block category and also insert in any of your drawing. But when you make a group, it just help you to bring all the elements um, of the object together and making it a unified object. So don't forget to always click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell to get all the notification that will be dropping from this channel. And also, if you have any challenge, just comment at the description box. on the area you are having your challenges in AutoCAD, and we'll look into it and see how to solve your problem. We are always here to serve you better and bring that understanding to you while working with your AutoCAD software. So see you in the next video. Bye.